Kuwait highways. Trucks on the road. Breaking news in Kuwait. The Ministry of Interior has announced new truck driving restrictions across all roads to reduce traffic congestion and improve road safety. Traffic jams. Trucks parked roadside. From September 1, 2025 to June 14, 2026. Trucks are banned from driving 6:30 a.m. to 9 a.m., 12:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. Switch to summer visuals, sunny roads, lighter traffic, and from June 15, 2026 to August 31, 2026. Restrictions apply only in the afternoons, 12:30 p.m. to 3:30 p.m. MOI patrol cars, smooth traffic flow. The ministry urges truck drivers and transport companies to follow the rules to avoid fines and ensure safer, smoother roads.